Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with a crochet tutorial of this cute Hello Kitty Filet Crochet baby blanket. Filet crochet is really simple to do. You just need to know 2 stitches to make filet projects, double crochet and chain stitches. Remember, I'm using US terms, so if you're in the UK, it's treble crochet and chain stitches remains the same. For this project, I've used this Karen Jumbo worsted weight yarn. It's super soft and really cute. It's in the color unicorn, and to make this blanket you can use any yarn that you liked, and you can use the crochet hook that is recommended for your yarn. So do make sure you check the yarn band. I've designed this blanket in a very simple way so that beginners find it easy to make. This blanket is worked with a pattern repeat of 16 rows and needs the foundation chain to be in multiples of 34. For this blanket I've made 102 chains, and the blanket measures 32 inches wide and 30 inches long approximately, but you can make any multiples of 34 until you have the desired width of your blanket, and just add 2 additional chains for turning at the end of the foundation chain. So as you can see here, the Hello Kitty is placed one after the other here. So I've worked this blanket pattern in a way that it's split in sections. So we work in sections, or you can also call it blocks of 34 stitches. So every row we have 34 stitches, and those 34 stitches you need to keep repeating until you are done with that particular row. So every row has a block repeat, or a section repeat you can say. I know this may sound a little bit tricky at first, but trust me, it's really simple. And if you prefer a written pattern, I have a very inexpensive downloadable PDF on my Etsy shop. It has a pattern chart which will help you customize the blanket in whichever size you'd like to make the blanket. I will leave a link in the description box below, so do make sure you check that out. So as I said, we have to work in blocks or sections of 34 stitches. So we make our foundation chain in multiples of 34. So go ahead and pause the video and make your foundation chain in multiples of 34, and I will be right back with my foundation chain too. So here I'm back with my foundation chain in multiples of 34, and I've added 2 extra chains in the end for turning. Now to start row 1, we make a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So skip those 2 additional chains that you have made and start from that 3rd chain and make a double crochet. Double crochet is just yarning over, inserting your hook in that 3rd chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Now again, make a double crochet in the next stitch, and in all the chains across your foundation chain. So go ahead and finish your row 1 with double crochet all across, and I will meet you back at the end of your row. So here I am at the end of my row 1 with double crochets all across, and I am still yet to finish this last chain left on my first row, and I want to share a great trick with you guys. So for every row, for your last stitch, you work a double crochet 2 together stitch for every in every last stitch. So how to do that? You will yarn over, you will insert your hook in that last stitch or chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop right there. Again, yarn over, insert your hook again in that same last stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and again stop right there. Now again, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. That's a double crochet 2 together stitch. So you start by making 2 chains. So here for the next row, you will make 2 chains, and you will not count that as a stitch, and you will work in that very first stitch itself. And at the end of every row, you will work a double crochet 2 together stitch. It's a very helpful trick, and I've been using this for all my blankets. It gives a great working space for working your borders in, so it has really helped me a lot, and I'm sure it will help you. So moving on to row 2, we've already chained 2, and we'll turn our work. Now working in this very first stitch, from where this chain 2 is coming from, we make 9 double crochets, starting from this very first stitch. So in every row, or in all the rows for this blanket, we will chain 2, and we will not count this as a stitch. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch, and we'll work in the very first stitch at the beginning of every row. So yarn over, insert that first stitch and make a double crochet. Make 9 double crochets in total. So that's my second, 3, 8, and 9. Let's cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Now after you have 9 double crochets, you will chain 1, skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch, creating this chain 1 space. Do this 7 more times. So chain 1, skip a stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So far you have 8 chain 1 spaces in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have that, do that once again, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and make 8 double crochets in the next 8 stitches. So yarn over, skipping this next stitch and making 8 double crochets. That's my 8th double crochet. So this is your section repeat or block repeat for this row. So you will make 9 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, and repeat that chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet 7 times more. That means you need 8 chain 1 spaces, and then again make the 9th chain 1 space and make 8 double crochets next. So you will repeat this all across row 2 and meet me back at the end of row 2. So here I'm at the end of row 2 and I have finished making the last 7 stitches out of the 8 stitches that we're supposed to make, and I'm still left with this one last stitch. So like I said before, I usually make a double crochet 2 together for my very last stitch for every row. So in this last stitch again, I am going to make a double crochet 2 together. So I yarned over and inserted my hook in that last stitch, yarned over and pulled up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and every time I have to find those 2 loops and then work my stitch. So I normally work in that space itself, like so. So it totally depends on how you want to work your stitches, like that. So we made 5 double crochets, we chained 1, skipped 1 stitch, and then made 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again we made chain 1, skip the next stitch, and starting from this chain 1 space, we're going to make 17 double crochets in the next 17 stitches, including this chain 1 spaces. So first one began in this chain 1 space, the next stitch will be on top of this double crochet here. So that's my second out of those 17 double crochets you're supposed to make. This is my third one in the next chain 1 space, and fourth one on top of this double crochet. And keep going till you have 17 double crochets in total. Now your last 17th double crochet will be in this chain 1 space, the last chain 1 space that you have for this row, or for this section I should say, as you can see. So you started those 17 double crochets in this chain 1 space, and the 17th one will come right here in this chain 1 space. Now once you're done with 17 double crochets, make sure you're counting your stitches very nicely, because filet crochet is all about counting stitches. If even one stitch goes missing or anything, your whole pattern will turn out to be something else. So once you have 17 double crochets, make chain 1 space, that is chaining 1, skipping the next stitch and making a double crochet on top of the next one. Again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 6 double crochets in the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is your section repeat for row 3. So go ahead and repeat from the very beginning all over again, starting from 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 17 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 6 double crochets. So from here again start making 5 double crochets and repeat this entire section. And I will meet you back at the end of row 3. So here I'm at the end of row 3, and I have again made my last stitch as the double crochet 2 together stitch. Now beginning row 4, again chain 2 and turning my work. Now for row 4 you need to make 5 double crochets in the first 5 stitches, starting from this very first stitch. Now once you have 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip that next stitch and make 9 double crochets in the next 9 stitches, starting from this chain 1 space. Once you have 9 double crochets, again chain 1, skip a stitch and make 1 double crochet in the next one. Again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 11 double crochet starting from this next stitch here. Ninth stitch will be in this chain 1 space, 10th on top of this double crochet, and 11th stitch will be in this last chain 1 space of my section. So after finishing 11 double crochet, chain 1 and make 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. So this is your section repeat for row 4. 5 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 9 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 11 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 4 double crochets. So repeat this all across row 4 and I will meet you back at the end. To begin row 5, chain 2, turn your work, make 4 double crochets on top of these 4 double crochets, starting from the very first stitch. Then chain 1, skip this chain 1 space and make 10 double crochets in the next 10 stitches. So this is my 10th double crochet. After you have 10 double crochets, again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet in this chain 1 space right here, and again on top of this double crochet, and again in this chain 1 space. So after doing 10 double crochets, you made a chain 1 space and made 3 double crochets. After that, again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 9 double crochets in the next 9 stitches. So skipping this stitch and making 9 double crochets. This is my 8th double crochet, and my 9th one will be in this chain 1 space. Once you have 9 double crochets, again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is your section repeat for row 5, that is 4 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 10 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 9 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 4 double crochets. So repeat this section repeat all across row 5, and I will meet you back at the end. Now to begin row 6, chain 2, turn your work, make 4 double crochets on top of these 4 double crochets, then chain 1, skip this chain 1 space and make 10 double crochets in the next 10 stitches. My 10 double crochet will be in this chain 1 space. So after you have 10 double crochets, chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 11 double crochets starting from this next chain 1 space. After 11 double crochets, again chain 1, skip this chain 1 space and make 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. And this is your section repeat for row 6, that is 4 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 10 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 11 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, and 4 double crochets. So repeat this section all across row 6, and I will meet you back at the end. Starting row 7, chain 2 and turn your work. Row 7 is really simple. Just make 3 double crochets starting from this very first stitch. After making 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and starting from this chain 1 space, make 26 double crochets. So after making 26 double crochets, again chain 1, skip the next stitch and make 3 double crochets. So this is your section repeat for row 7, that is 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1. Starting from this chain 1 space, make 26 double crochets all across, and then again you end with this chain 1 space, and then chain 1, skip 1 again, and make 3 double crochets. So repeat this all across your row, and I will meet you back at the end.